Children of God, in the early centuries of Christianity, believers lived under the threat of persecution from the Roman Empire. Christians could not openly gather because many were arrested, tortured, and killed for their faith. Because of this danger, they used secret symbols to recognize one another. One of the most famous symbols was the fish, called Ichthus in Greek. The word Ichthus stood for Jesus Christ, Son of God, Savior. Sometimes a Christian quietly drew one curved line on the ground, and if the other person completed the fish shape, they knew they were both believers. The fish symbol appeared in catacombs, hidden meeting places, and even on tombs of martyrs. It became a silent sign of courage during fearful times. These Christians lived carefully, but they never abandoned Christ. Even in fear, they chose faith over safety.